Smart strategies to grow your money safely in just 3 years. Welcome, savvy investors. Feeling uncertain about how to grow your money safely in the short term? Whether you're aiming for a secure financial boost or just looking to make the most of your savings, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll explore innovative and safe strategies to grow your wealth over the next 1 to 3 years. From low-risk investments to unique opportunities, we'll uncover how you can achieve steady growth without taking unnecessary risks. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in and transform your savings into smarter, more secure investments. Number 1, invest in skill development. Investing in skill development is a powerful way to grow your money safely within 3 years. By enhancing your skills through courses, certifications, or training programs, you can boost your earning potential and advance your career. This investment in yourself can lead to higher salaries, new job opportunities, or even entrepreneurial ventures. Unlike traditional investments, improving your skills involves minimal risk and offers significant personal and financial returns. Focus on skills that are in high demand or aligned with your career goals to maximize the benefits. Over time, this strategic investment can provide a steady increase in your income, effectively growing your wealth in the short term. Number 2, low-risk mutual funds or ETFs. Investing in low-risk mutual funds or ETFs is a safe way to grow your money within 3 years. These funds typically invest in a diversified portfolio of stable, high-quality assets such as blue-chip stocks and government bonds, minimizing risk while offering moderate returns. Low-risk mutual funds and ETFs often focus on income-generating investments like dividend-paying stocks or short-term bonds, which can provide steady growth and income. By diversifying your investments across various sectors and asset classes, these funds reduce the impact of market volatility. This approach allows you to benefit from gradual, reliable growth without exposing your savings to significant risk. Number 3, invest in quality dividend stocks. Investing in quality dividend stocks is a prudent way to grow your money safely within 3 years. These stocks represent companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, providing a steady income stream along with potential for capital appreciation. Companies that consistently pay dividends are often financially stable and less volatile, offering a measure of security in your investment. By focusing on blue-chip stocks with reliable dividends, you can benefit from both regular payouts and potential stock value increases. This approach combines income generation with growth potential, helping you achieve steady and relatively safe financial growth over the short term. Number 4, high-interest savings accounts. High-interest savings accounts are an excellent way to grow your money safely in 3 years. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing your funds to earn more over time with minimal risk. Ideal for short-term savings goals, they provide a secure place to park your money while still earning a competitive return. Look for accounts with no monthly fees and favorable terms to maximize your earnings. Although returns may be lower than some investment options, high-interest savings accounts offer guaranteed growth with easy access to your funds, making them a safe and practical choice for steady, short-term wealth growth. Number 5, real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding can be a smart way to grow your money safely within 3 years. This investment model allows you to pool funds with other investors to finance real estate projects or properties, providing access to the real estate market with lower capital requirements. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul offer opportunities to invest in diversified real estate ventures, including residential and commercial properties. With thorough vetting and professional management, these investments can provide steady returns through rental income and property appreciation. While not without risks, real estate crowdfunding typically involves lower risk compared to direct property ownership, making it a viable option for moderate, short-term growth. Number 6, fixed annuities. Fixed annuities are a secure option for growing your money safely within 3 years. These financial products offer guaranteed returns with fixed interest rates for a specified period, typically ranging from 1 to 5 years. By investing in a fixed annuity, you can enjoy predictable and stable income without exposure to market fluctuations. This makes them ideal for short-term investment goals and preserving capital. While the returns might be lower compared to more volatile investments, the safety and reliability of fixed annuities provide peace of mind. Ensure you review terms carefully, including any penalties for early withdrawal, to make the most of this low-risk growth strategy. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending can be a promising way to grow your money safely within 3 years. This investment method involves lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you receive interest payments, potentially offering higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs. To minimize risk, diversify your investments across multiple borrowers and choose platforms with strong vetting processes. P2P lending often includes detailed credit assessments and risk ratings to help you make informed decisions. While there is some risk involved, the controlled environment and potential for attractive returns make it a viable option for short-term, relatively safe growth. Number 8. Purchase prepaid cards with cashback rewards. Purchasing prepaid cards with cashback rewards can be a practical way to grow your money safely over 3 years. These cards provide cashback or rewards on your everyday spending, offering a way to earn a small but steady return on the money you already spend. Unlike investment options that carry more risk, prepaid cards with rewards come with minimal risk, as they are typically free of hidden fees and offer straightforward benefits. To maximize your earnings, choose cards with higher cashback rates and no annual fees. While the returns from cashback rewards may be modest compared to other investment strategies, they are a safe and effortless way to add to your savings, making them a viable option for incremental, risk-free growth over a short period. Number 9. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are a great tool for growing your money safely within 3 years. These automated investment platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. By investing in a mix of low-cost index funds and ETFs, robo-advisors offer a balanced approach to growth with minimal risk. They automatically rebalance your portfolio and reinvest dividends, ensuring your investments stay aligned with your goals. With lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors, robo-advisors provide an efficient and cost-effective way to grow your wealth. They are particularly suitable for short-term investing, as they adjust strategies based on market conditions, helping to minimize risks while aiming for steady returns. Thanks for watching. Growing your money safely in 3 years is all about smart, strategic choices. From high-interest savings accounts and fixed annuities to innovative options like real estate crowdfunding and robo-advisors, you have plenty of tools to achieve steady, reliable growth. Each method offers a unique balance of risk and reward, so choose what best aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips on managing and growing your wealth. I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you have. Drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more financial strategies and advice. Until next time, invest wisely and keep striving for your financial goals.